Hello guys, welcome to Servlet Tutorial. Now let me have some note point on the locations or the folders where hard deployment supports for various server. So let me proceed for first. That is Tomcat Server. Tomcat Server. Tomcat Server supports console deployment. Console deployment and directory file based hard deployment, whereas WebLogic also supports Oracle WebLogic. So Apache Tomcat Oracle WebLogic Server supports also console based deployment and directory based hard deployment. So third, what is the third? Let me go for Glassfish. So now it is also under control of Oracle. Let me use here Sun Microsystem, Oracle Glassfish Server. It's a web server. This is web server. It's application server. Glassfish also application server. So Oracle Glassfish Server supports only console based .var file deployment. Fourth, let me go for JBOSS. JBOSS supports only Redhat. You can call here Apache or Redhat. JBOSS supports only .var file based deployment of Java web application. For various servers. Let me go for WebSphere. So also WebSphere is there. So WebSphere, let me proceed for WebSphere. Who created the WebSphere? WebSphere is application server and it is from IBM. So fifth, IBM WebSphere Server. I think here also I forget to mention the server. Okay. So var file supports only var file based application. Guys. Okay, fine. So var file based Java web application deployment. So these are the node point. What are the folders or locations? Supports hard deployments of Java web applications for various server. And let me add one more point apart from this basic fundamental. So what are the locations are there? Which locations and where? How can I able to get it? So guys, to work with this. Let me add the locations now. So what is the Tomcat location? Tomcat location, that is Tomcat home, Tomcat home, and folders for hard deployment of Java web application for different servers. So Tomcat home /web apps. Next, for Weblogic server. So definitely I need Weblogic home, Weblogic -home. Under Weblogic I need to use middleware, so I need to go for user -projects. So Weblogic, Oracle Weblogic user projects, and under user projects your domain /domains/ let me use your domain name, domain -name /auto deploy. So this is for Tomcat, this is for Weblogic. Let me proceed for now Glassfish. So Glassfish is my Glassfish home, I can use here app server, or I can use here domain. I can use here domain name. This is my domain name, domain -name /auto deploy. Next, JBOSS. So again I need to take care of JBOSS home, so here is my server / so I can use here domain name, one of the default domain name. So you can choose default domain name, then you can find deploy folder. Okay, fine. Otherwise, let me go for Glassfish. Let's search for Glassfish here. Where is my Glassfish C drive? So here is Glassfish. Under Glassfish you can find here domains and your domain auto deploy for Glassfish 3. This is for Glassfish 2 for 2.x version of Glassfish. Okay, and this is for 3.x version of Glassfish. Okay guys, so let me check for others. So for WebSphere, let me check for WebSphere. Let me go to my softwares, study software, 4th, different servers. Can I find anywhere WebSphere? WebLogic, JDBC, JBOSS, James, Glassfish, Axis, and Tomcat. I don't find WebSphere here. Let me check for WebSphere. Tomcat, Axis, Glassfish, James, JBOSS, JDBC, Oracle WebLogic, Progress, and WebLogic is there. I don't find WebSphere. Let me search for WebSphere. Don't find WebSphere here. Okay, I'll give next time. No not to matter. Okay, I'll get next time. Not to worry.